Let's practice speaking 15 simple, polite questions to use in real life situation. Instead of saying, I want some water or I want some more salad, please give me some more salad. Practice saying, could I get some more water please? Could I get some more salad please? Because could I get, could you give sounds more polite and natural. Can I get, can you give me, or I want. Here, actually, could is not used as a question word. It's used to make a polite request that you want something. Add please and practice saying this. Could we please? Could I please? Could you please? Let's practice speaking these. Start speaking English with me. Speak English Daily Series, Day 4 at the restaurant. And improve your spoken English from day 1. Lessons are specially designed for beginners spoken English practice. Just listen and repeat. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Daily Series, Day 4. I'll say each sentence 3 times. Listen carefully, repeat slowly after me, then repeat confidently. Speak loudly and clearly. Don't be shy, don't worry about the mistakes. Let's begin. Could we have a table for 4 please? Repeat slowly. Could we have a table for 4 please? Repeat confidently. Could we have a table for 4 please? Could we sit by that window? Repeat slowly. Could we sit by that window? Repeat confidently. Could we sit by that window? Could I have the menu please? Repeat slowly. Could I have the menu please? Repeat confidently. Could I have the menu please? Could we get some water please? Repeat slowly. Could we have some water please? Repeat confidently. Could we have some water please? Could you take our order please? Repeat slowly. Could you take our order please? Repeat confidently. Could you take our order please? Could you suggest any vegetarian starter? Repeat slowly. Could you suggest any vegetarian starter? Repeat confidently. Could you suggest any vegetarian starter? Could you suggest something less spicy? Repeat slowly. Could you suggest anything less spicy? Repeat confidently. Could you suggest something less spicy? Could we order the main course now? Repeat slowly. Could we order the main course now? Repeat confidently. Could we order the main course now? Could I change my order please? Repeat slowly. Could I change my order please? Repeat confidently. Could I change my order please? Could we get some paper napkins please? Or paper towels please? Repeat slowly. Could we get some paper towels please? Repeat confidently. Could we get some paper towels please? Could we have coffee please? Repeat slowly. Could we have coffee please? Repeat confidently. Could we have some coffee please? Could you make it 1 by 2? Repeat slowly. Could you make it 1 by 2? Repeat confidently. Could you make it 1 by 2? Could I please get the finger bowl? Repeat slowly. Could I please get the finger bowl? Repeat confidently. Could I please get the finger bowl? Could we get the bell please? Repeat slowly. Could we get the bell please? Repeat confidently. Could we get the bell please? Could we get the bill, please? Could you please pack the leftovers? Slowly. Could you please pack the leftovers? Repeat confidently. Could you please pack the leftovers? Did you practice speaking with me? Great. Type done in the comments box. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident. You can even make small changes and make your own sentences using could. For other similar situations, could I? Post your sentence in the comments box to use at a restaurant. Save this video and practice speaking again. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you in the next lesson.